Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Many thanks for stopping by. Okay, now Ikea has got big sales on at the moment. So if you are interested, then these are the bits and pieces that I picked up. So it would be worth your while actually looking. First of all, I got this from there. And that's a throw. It is, let's have a look now, it's 91 by 98 inches. It's so warm and plush. They did have them for £15 and they went down to £9, so it's beautiful, and they have got all different colours, so it would be worth your while if you did have a look. Okay, next thing is these Skubb compartments for your drawers. I think they're usually £6, but they're on sale at the moment for £5. I mean, it's only £1 off, but I mean, it's better than nothing. You get 6 in here, and they're really good to organise your drawers. The next thing I got was these. I got 2 of these rugs. They're to put in the bathroom and in the toilet. I think I paid 99p for these, and the measurement is 40 by 60 centimeters, which is really good. They're lovely, and they're really good to wash as well. So I got 2 of those, and these are my favorite buys. Now these are the Vilborg. I will put all the information in the description below. They're the blackout curtains. They're originally £45 or £49, and I paid £29 for them. And these ones for my windows is 145 centimeters wide and 250 centimeters long, and there's 2 in a pack. So it's 57 inches by 98 long. And this is an off-white colour. These are for the bedroom. And I got these for the living room because I'm decorating my living room at the moment. But I've got to wait until after Christmas now, because it's going to be too much problems if we're going to have family and friends popping in or whatever. So these are the same size, and these ones are sort of like a very light duck egg, very, very subtle teal. They're really, really nice, and they're so heavy, and they're blackouts. So I've got 2 of those for my living room windows, because I've got big, massive bay windows. So that's that. So if you are interested in the Ikea sales, I really, really advise you to pop down. I think as well that most of the sale going on is not online. You have to actually go into the store, so it would be a really good chance for you to get in the store and see what you can pick up. And I'm really happy with my bargains. So I'll link all the descriptions, all the details below, and yeah, really happy, and I'm really glad to be back as well, because it's been a while since I've been on. So I'll be trying to make more videos from now on, because I've been really busy with decluttering and just organising and, you know, indulging in some of my other hobbies and stuff. So anyway, enough of the babbling. Thank you so much for popping on and watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my videos. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Bye bye.